Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to delete your Microsoft account in Windows 11 as of 2023. It is a process that might be a bit confusing for some, but fear not, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest tech tutorials. First, click on the Start button or Windows button. Then click on Settings and enter. Then you will see many options on the left side. From here, choose the Accounts option. Then you can scroll down a bit and see your info. Now, you might be wondering, why would someone want to delete their Microsoft account? Well, there could be various reasons. Maybe you're switching to different account, or perhaps you're just looking to clean up your digital footprint. Whatever the reason, let's jump into the steps. Click the Accounts option. Then the browser opens and bring you to a page called Microsoft Account page. Here, you will see many options. Here are security and privacy. You can change your password from security. If you go to the top again, you will see Microsoft Store. You will see here Microsoft Store and devices. Now click on View all devices from device options. Then click on the Your Info option. Scroll down and you will see a box called Account Info. From here, click on the Close Account option. Then you will see a page saying how to close your Microsoft account. Then, if you go down a little, you will see a button called Continue. Click on it. Then a new page will open again. Scroll down and click on this option. Scroll down again and click on this option. Then you will see Go to close your account below. Click on this blue colored option. Then you will be asked for a security key. I am giving my Windows password. Then such a page will open. It is written here that if you change your mind within 60 days, that means if you want to recover the account, then you can work with this account again. Click Next from here. Now here, many permissions will be asked. You should read carefully now. Select the one you want to delete. After selecting, select a reason from. After selecting the reason, if you click the option Mark Account for Closure here, your account will be permanently deleted within 7 days. So I will not delete my account but click Cancel. Deleting a Microsoft account is a significant step, so make sure it's what you really want to do. If you have an important data associated with your account, be sure to back it up before proceeding. That's it for today's tutorial on how to delete your Microsoft account in Windows 11 as of 2023. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy computing!